Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. This is out here at the Avon Park Field. This is going to be the maiden on this particular T-33. I just put out an unboxing, assembly, and radio setup video. Well, this is that plane. This is also going to be on the HOBBYZONE, the Arrows RC Black Friday sale. This is one of them. So let's take her up. This is actually the maiden on this one. So I'm going to take off in the optimize or the stability mode. Okay, motor's on. Timer set for 3.5 minutes. Now watch where I'm walking so I don't step on a plane. Well, she just tanks right along.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Nice thing about T-33, it's got that very iconic silhouette in the sky, which helps with orientation. Flying just great, as I knew she would. Tell you what, that dynamic mode's got her locked in nice. And hit it. There we go. Or get out of Dodge. All right. We're going to have to cut it short. Bugs are getting bad. We're losing our light. Hold on. Let me see if I can't get a little closer in. Okay. Bounce and go. Here, I'll land her in the grass. There, that'll slow it down. And turn your motor off before you touch your plane, even though it's an EDF. All right, there you go, folks. That is the Arrows T-33, maiden in the books. You watch the unboxing assembly video and the radio setup. Great flying plane. Everything you need about this plane in the purchase and the big Black Friday discounts will be in the description of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then toss them and boss them, scale jets. Bye-bye.